Hey y'all, my name is Drika. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to just be showing you guys how I braided my hair into this pretty updo. Let's get into it and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay y'all, so off camera I went ahead and sectioned my hair into 4 quadrants, and then I also went ahead and braided just 4 little plaits in the top, just so it can, 1, be a guide, and 2, it just helps to know where my ponytail is going to sit. So as y'all seen in the title, this is a freestyle braided ponytail, so I'm not going to tell you guys what to part, how to part. That's the beauty of doing a freestyle ponytail, because you can just do whatever you want to do, add a little funky design and keep it moving. So I'm using the Push It braid and edge gel by the Do. I don't use it on my scalp at all. I just use it to pretty much tame the flyaways like in the front. And as I was braiding y'all, I was listening to some music, so don't mind me kind of like jigging a little bit and singing. That's just what I do to keep me going. So y'all, I have been braiding my hair for a long time, and the number one question that I get when people find out that I braided my own hair is, girl, don't your arm be hurting? And the answer is yes, my arm be burning, especially because I don't braid my hair that often anymore, so my arms be hurting. But see, it's a wall on the side over here, so sometimes I lean to the wall and rest my arm. But once I do about, like for instance, by the time I finished this 3rd braid, baby, I was ready to go. Okay, I was just ready to go. Brown skin, light skin, dark skin, all the pretty women with different, so many women. Listen, it's a must that we have a concert whenever it's a link up to do hair. But y'all, yeah, so that's what I do. I just go ahead and separate my hair. Like I said, this is a freestyle braided hairstyle, so I don't know which way I was going. Honestly, I ain't even have a map. I just was parting and going. But I can say what made it easier for me. For one, my braids wasn't that small. That's the point. I was not trying to braid my hair super small. But 2, the designs and how I made them made it easier, especially braiding the back, because braiding the back it's not a challenge, it's just a mind thing for me. So once I got my mind together, everything just clicked. Once I started, it was over with. But even braiding down the back, then braiding up, it took up a lot of space, and that's what you want to do when you're doing designs, and that's how, like, it won't look too crowded when you take up a lot of space. And this is how the front is looking, y'all. I really liked it. Now, I don't know why I didn't grab my full body mirror before I started the back, because I feel like that probably would have helped me in my front a lot more. And I didn't even get the full body mirror in the back until what, 2 or 3 braids in. So pretty much, y'all, I braided this back, these couple of braids going up, I braided them blindly because I didn't have anything to look in. But like I said, once you get that muscle memory, you know what to do. Like right here, I was not looking in the mirror part of my hair. Like, girl, why didn't you get the mirror to part your hair? I did get the mirror to look after I parted though. Alright, y'all, so I finally went and grabbed the mirror, and this is what I mean when I said take up a lot of space. Y'all see how I'm braiding down and then I'm gonna turn around and braid it up? You see how much space that took away? Now I don't have to worry about how many braids I need to fit right there, if that makes sense. Alright, y'all, so this is how my hair's turned out. I love the braids, y'all. I really enjoyed this hairstyle because, baby, it been hot, and not having hair and stuff really on my neck have been the best idea ever. So right here, y'all, went ahead and grabbed the hair so I can go ahead and do this ponytail. But next time, y'all, let me just tell you, next time I'm just gonna buy the drawstring ponytail. It will make your life easier. Just pop on the drawstring ponytail. Now, this wasn't hard at all, I guess because I know how to do a ponytail, so it wasn't hard for me, but I was in a rush, so don't mind my facial expressions, girl, because I was trying my best to hurry up. And then I found some hair and did a braided plait to wrap around the ponytail once I finished, but I didn't show that on camera because, like I said, I was in a rush. Alright, y'all, so this is how this freestyle braided ponytail turned out, and y'all, I really love my hair, especially since it's been so hot. It did me all the good, and honestly, y'all, I wore it in a bun most of the time, but I really love it going to the side like this. Like, it was just giving. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and definitely share, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.